Hi everybody, it's Mr. Glenn Weiss here, your Geometry and Financial Math teacher. Hope everybody stayed safe this past weekend in this extreme heat. So we're beginning our second week of class. I do have access to the class now, so I will be catching up with grading. Thank you very much for your patience. I don't have access to the Strong Mind Community Bulletin board yet, so I'm not able to get into ExactPath and to get you started on that. So there, again, be very patient. Little heads up on ExactPath. It begins with a diagnostic. You begin taking this diagnostic where it'll show you where you are in your math skills, and then it will give you a learning path. And so don't use any tools or help with the diagnostic. We want to know exactly where you are, and anywhere is good. And then once you get that learning path, you move forward, and it'll give you little mini lessons, and then we'll be working on that in the small group sessions as well as in the live sessions. 40 minutes a day is expected in the ExactPath. It's an all or nothing grade, so if you work 40 or more minutes, you will get the full 10%. If you work 39 minutes, you will get 0%. You'll easily see where you are in your minutes each week. So I presented here on the screen right now is some programming. For those of you in geometry, you are learning basically the beginning of programming when you do a transformation. You're sliding something on a screen, you're reflecting it, rotating it. That's how the computer moves things on screens. So here I'm just kind of give you a quick introduction with these friendly cats and dogs and how you can move up, say, and do more business type programming. Python is a very popular language in business software as well as artificial intelligence. If you look through this, I'm quite sure you can make sense of this. For example, the first one append, it's going to add a dog onto the 3 cats. Imagine you're shopping and you click to add a shirt you like into your shopping cart. It appends it just like that. So here you would have already had, say, 3 pants, and now you're adding the shirt. So this is all quite straightforward. I hope you find that interesting. I'm just going to give you a little heads up on the index. That can be confusing. That both counts and returns to the screen the number of things, but that starting at 0 doesn't start at 1. That's why when you see the 2, it actually looks like it's the 3rd thing, but it's an index. It's literally counting positions from starting at 0. So I don't want you to be confused there. Okay, moving on to more relevant things here. Next up, we have the weekly schedule and today's schedule. So today's Monday, so we have the check-in happening at 9:30. We have our small group sessions at 10 o'clock. The morning live at 11. Lunch is on your own. And then at 1 o'clock, we've got another live session. You click on the big blue button in the course, the left vertical panel, to join me there. And then the checkout huddle to end your day. Of course, you can continue working any hour. It's always available, but we like to give some structure to the check-in, check-out. And we do play games, watch video. It's just kind of relaxing time, get to know your teachers and classmates, some fun chat there. And then lastly, a quick reminder of where you can contact me and get technical support. So there's a phone number for the main school number. Option 1 is technical support, but first contact me or your teacher. We can quickly solve most problems. And then there's guidance information, direct phone number. It's even better, actually. It's not, generally better to click on Counselor Connect. That's one of the tiles among your classes. My email, phone number, and then the QR code, so you can snap to schedule me if you immediately want to know if I'm immediately available, or maybe you want to schedule ahead too. Generally, just contact me immediately because I'm here to help with my office hours 8 to 5. So that's what I've got for you here for today, Monday, August 4th. Look forward to seeing you in the live sessions and in our huddle. And stay cool. Take care of yourself, and if you can, take good care of someone else too. Bye.